Hello my dear student, welcome to KK Chauhan Vision. Today we are going to discuss about the topic nitrogen cycle. This topic is from the lesson environment, and we know the total percentage of nitrogen in our atmosphere there is 78%, and neither plants nor animals consume directly this atmospheric nitrogen, but we also know nitrogen is a main constituent of protein, and protein is very important for the growth and development of plants and animals. Only leguminous plants like pulses, like grams, beans, they consume this atmospheric nitrogen and make protein, and this protein we all consume, all animals and human being also. In this way, the atmospheric nitrogen enters in our body or all other animals' body, and when these all animals or plants become dead, then saprophytic bacteria turns the protein present which was present in the plant or dead animal. Okay, the saprophytic bacteria turns that protein into ammonia salt. Okay, and this ammonia salt further convert into nitrate by nitrifying bacteria, and this nitrate gets converted into free nitrogen or gaseous nitrogen by nitrifying bacteria. This is the cycle in which atmospheric nitrogen gets absorbed by the green leguminous plants, and then it travels through plants and different animals or human beings, and after traveling it again reach into atmosphere. Let's start the nitrogen cycle. Question is, describe briefly the nitrogen cycle. Proteins are the compounds of nitrogen. They are the important physical part or important components of plants and animals. Due to the deficiency of protein, growth of plants and animals stops, because protein is responsible for physical growth in living beings. Animals consume their food from plants, also it contains protein. We always get food in the form of carbohydrate, proteins, fat, vitamins, minerals from plants. When the plants and animals become dead and decay, then some saprophytic bacteria and fungi turns them means protein into the ammonia salt. The ammonia salts are turned into nitrate by nitrifying bacteria. Some of its part is absorbed by the root vein of the roots tip of the plants, which is further converted into protein. Remaining part of the nitrate gets transformed into nitrogen by microorganism or nitrifying bacteria. Thus nitrogen once again appear in the atmosphere. The bacteria that stabilize cosmic nitrogen are found in the soil or other root glands of the legume plant. These bacteria are known as rhizobium bacteria. These bacteria convert nitrogen in free state into its compound ammonia salt, which are absorbed by the plant. Some part of atmospheric nitrogen remains fixed into the earth by thunder lightning. जब बिजली चमकती है तब भी कुछ नाइट्रोजन, एटमॉस्फेयर की नाइट्रोजन है ना, वो नाइट्रेट में कन्वर्ट होती है, पर अक्सर तो बिजली नहीं ना चमकती, थंडरिंग होती नहीं है. फर्टिलाइजर्स and fertilizers manufactured in the factories are also a fixed form of nitrogen. This nitrogen gets absorbed by the plants and passes through the nitrogen food network. Thus, this nitrogen cycle continues in nature. Hopefully you liked this video. I tried my best. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.